Yo, what's up everybody? Today I want to show you my Tower Premier 2 Queen room at Luxor, and I gotta say this room is pretty nice, especially considering this is probably one of the cheaper rooms you're gonna find in Vegas. So coming in, we have 2 queen beds. We got a nice lamp here with some outlets. It's got a USB port and a phone. Nice little nightstand with some storage and a mirror. Coming over here, we got a nice desk area, big screen TV that you can kind of swivel around. Mine turns itself on for some reason. And we got some drawers right here. And you got a safe right here. You could probably fit a laptop in there. Got a nice closet area, ironing board, coat hangers, and you got a nice little seating area here. These chairs are actually pretty comfy. And we got our AC. That's working pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's very cool in here. It's not hot. And I think the best part about this room is this view. Look at this. This is amazing. We got Mandalay Bay, and you get to look at the Sphinx, the trolley, the tram going by. So I'm pretty happy with this. We got some nice art up on our wall, full body mirror. And the bathroom is pretty nice. You got your sink area over here, hair dryer, towels, shampoo, conditioner, soap, toilet, and some more art. And then you got a pretty nice big shower, and then a separate bathtub. And this is actually probably one of the bigger bathtubs you're gonna find in Vegas. So this bathroom is pretty sweet. Yeah, so I would say for the price, I think this might be the best deal on this strip for what you get. This is a very nice room. I don't really have much to complain about. I'm kind of blown away, especially compared to the pyramid rooms. This is so much nicer. And the pool here is amazing. Luxor is a really fun hotel to stay at. So if you guys are looking for somewhere to stay on a budget, this is really the place you should stay. That's kind of a no-brainer. All right, see you guys in the next one.